about to become the epicenter of manufacturing innovation, and the reason why is the upcoming ACMEE 2025 event. I am standing here today at the Ambattur Industrial Estate Manufacturers Association in Chennai, where the countdown for ACMEE 2025 has just begun. ACMEE 2025 will be an event where industry leaders will converge to discuss the future of the machine tool and smart manufacturing and automation industries. So how about we go meet the man in charge and to get the inside scoop on the upcoming ACMEE 2025 event. To give us deeper insights into the upcoming ACMEE 2025 event, I am joined by none other than Mr. PS Ramesh, Chairman of ACMEE 2025. So AIEMA has hosted ACMEE since 1994 and has witnessed major transformations in the Indian manufacturing sector. So based on the current trajectory of this industry, where do you foresee the machine tools and the smart manufacturing sectors to be in the next decade? With that in mind, could you also tell us how ACMEE 2025 will serve as a platform for businesses to prepare themselves for these future developments?
ACMEE has gone to a level, one of the largest shows in the region, where there are people who come here, visit the exhibition and make choices of the machines which can be used. And we also have a very good spread list of exhibitors who know what is the Chennai market and the regional market, and accordingly showcase their products. And that is how we are helping the manufacturing industries to grow. Moreover, now with AI and 3D printing and all these things are already, talk is going on as to how that can help manufacturing. We are also trying to, as AIEMA, we are also trying to see how these things can relate to the manufacturing industry in and around us.
One of the key strengths of the event is that it facilitates business opportunities from supplier-buyer interactions to investment prospects. Given that, could you elaborate or provide a few insights into specific initiatives such as the buyer-seller meet, the finance lounge, as well as the international networking program, and how ACMEE 2025 will provide tangible business opportunities for participants?
We want to start off the reverse buyer-seller meet in such a way that a lot of foreign interested buyers and others can come and show, and we can showcase what all India is capable of producing in terms of machines and in terms of the products. So that is why this time we are giving more emphasis on this reverse buyer-seller meet, which last year was supported by EEPC, and I'm hopeful that this year also the EEPC will support us in this endeavor.
Now I am excited to highlight that the maiden edition of ARTEC 2025 conference will be taking place concurrently with ACMEE 2025. So for curious and visitors and enthusiasts in the industry, could you tell us what the idea behind this conference is, and what are the takeaways that visitors can gain from this conference?
See, we have thought of this ARTEC, which is Automation and Robotics Conference, as a concurrent event. We are also having a hall exclusively for automation and robotics. Now, what we want to show in the conference is that how automation and robotics are influencing the manufacturing sector. So that is basically the idea. So we want them to know what are the trends which are happening not only in India and abroad, how that can help the manufacturing industry. Today we talk about AI in the manufacturing sector, we talk about 3D in the manufacturing sector. So we want the speakers to throw some light on this and how it is going to affect the manufacturing sector in the long term.
Lastly, could we just have a quick short message on why visitors should attend ACMEE 2025?
See, the idea of ACME is that the visitors should go there, should come, see the innovation in happening place in the manufacturing sector, see the have a exchange of ideas, see the technology development that is taking place, and also it creates a platform to see the machines run live, and it also creates a platform for collaboration, and also it helps people to take decisions as to whether these machines will be useful for their industry.
So there you have it. The ACMEE 2025 is an upcoming exhibition that will take place from June 19th to 23rd, 2025 at the Chennai Trade Centre. So make sure to mark your calendars.